Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to our science class. Today, uh, we are going to start our exercise, question and answers and all. In the previous classes, we completed lesson 3, fiber to fabric. I think all of you understood it. I told you to read the lesson 2-3 times. All of you read, no? Then all of you take your textbook, page number 32. Take. First, tick the correct option. All of you take page number 32. Which of the following is a natural fiber? Yes, four options are there. Which of the following is a natural fiber? Cotton, nylon, rayon, and polyester. Here, natural fiber is cotton only. It's nylon, rayon, and polyester. These all are synthetic, man-made. Okay, synthetic. Number 2, synthetic fibers are obtained from plants, chemicals, animals, all of these. Okay, we know that synthetic fibers are obtained from chemicals only. B is the answer, chemicals. Number 3, retting is a process to obtain fibers of jute, cotton, wool, nylon. Answer is A, jute. Number 4, which of these process is used to separate cotton fibers from seeds? Harvesting, ginning, spinning, and weaving. Option B, ginning is the correct answer. Okay, ginning. Take it. Okay, number 5, linen is obtained from which plant? Hemp plant, flax plant, cotton plant, jute plant. Okay, linen is obtained from flax plant. Option B, flax plant. Tick mark put. Okay. Okay, next one, fill in the blanks. Hand operated looms are called dash. Hand operated looms are called dash. Hand looms. Answer is hand looms. HANDLOOMS. Hand looms. All of you write, okay, hand looms. Okay, next, number 2. In the ancient time, people used dash and dash to cover their bodies. In ancient times, people used leaves and animal skin. Already we learned, no? Leaves and animal skin. Right, all of you. Number 3, dash and dash are synthetic fibers, nylon and polyester. Nylon and polyester. Synthetic fibers, okay. Number 4, the process of removing wool from sheep is called shearing. SHEARING, shearing. The process of removing of wool from sheep is called shearing. That process is called what? Shearing. Okay. Number 5, dash is a synthetic lightweight warm fiber similar to wool. Answer is acrylic. ACRYLIC. Acrylic is a synthetic lightweight warm fiber similar to wool. Next, true or false? Jute is a synthetic fiber. Jute is a natural fiber, no, not synthetic fiber. It's a false. F right there, okay. Number 2, jute is popularly known as the golden fiber. Yes, correct, true. T right there, okay. Number 3, linen and hemp are animal fibers. Okay, that's false. Linen and hemp, this is not animal fibers. Okay, false. Next, number 4, retting is needed to extract jute fiber. Oh, true. No, retting is needed to extract jute fibers. Retting is necessary in jute fibers. True. Next one, cotton grows in black soil. Yes, black soil is good for cotton. We learned already, no? Then true, it's true. Next, match the following, all of you take. Option A, column A, cotton. Right side. Ginning is the answer. E, okay, E. Ginning. Coir. Coir is coconut. From coconut only getting a coir. Coir. C. Number 3, wool. Wool, sheep. D, okay, option D, sheep. Silk, silkworm. Silk, silkworm. Linen. Linen, flax. From flax only getting a linen. Nylon, synthetic fiber. Nylon is synthetic fiber. Yes. Okay, next. Write one word for the following. One word answer. Okay. Fibrous made by human beings. Fibrous made by human beings. That is what a synthetic fibrous. Okay, answer is synthetic fibrous. Process of making yarn from fiber. What is called what a process of making yarn from seed? That is what a spinning. What is that? A spinning. 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 Next, number 3, process by which fabric is made using looms. Weaving, okay, weaving. WEAVING, weaving. The process by which fabric is made using looms, weaving. Number 4, soil in which cotton grows. Black soil. Black soil. Just before also we learned it. Number 5, a fiber obtained from insect. Silk. From silk I am getting now silk. Okay, next very short answer type question all of you. I will send these questions and answers also. First write these answers, after that only you listen this. Okay, while listening you all of you look in your notebook. Okay, in fair copy very clearly nicely write it. Okay, first one, why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes? Okay, answer. We wear clothes for protection against weather conditions such as rain, snow, extreme heat, or cold. To escape from this rain, snow, extreme heat, and cold, no, we wearing clothes. And clothes reflect our personality and make us look good. That also another one. Okay, improve our personality and also look good. Good looking also. Okay, that's only. Next, number 2, second question. What are natural fibers? Explain with example. Fibers that are obtained from plants or animals are called natural fibers. It's very simple, no? Fibers that obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Which fibers we getting from plants and animals? That is called what? Natural fibers. For example, cotton, jute, wool, and silk are natural fibers. These all are natural fibers. Okay, number 3. List any 3 uses of cotton. List any 3 uses of cotton. Cotton fabrics are used to make shirts, t-shirt, towel, suit, jeans, etc. Means different types of clothes, no making. Next one, cotton pads are used in hospital. In hospital, no, cotton pads are used for cleaning and all, no. Next one, cotton is used as filler in mattress and pillows. In mattress and pillow, takiya or everywhere, no, inside, no, keeping this cotton is putting, okay, just like filler, no, this one cotton is using. These are the 3 uses of cotton. Next one, number 4. Name any 3 states in India where cotton is grown on large scale. Okay, which are the states producing cotton on large scale? Simple answer: Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat. These are the 3 states, main leading cotton producing states. Next, number 5. What are synthetic fibers? Explain with examples. Okay, what are synthetic fibers? Explain with example. What are synthetic fibers? Fibers that are made by man from chemical substance are called synthetic fibers. Example, they include rayon, nylon, acrylic, polyester, etc. These all are the examples of synthetic fibers. Okay. Next, number 6. How is weaving different from knitting? What is the difference between weaving and knitting? The process of interlocking two sets of yarns at right angles to make a fabric is called weaving. Hmm? Two sets of yarns are used there. Okay. That is what a weaving. In knitting, only a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. In weaving, in knitting, using only single yarn. Okay. In weaving, two sets of yarns are used. That's the difference. Okay, today this enough. All question answers write well, and when you read the textbook, and here word bank is there: fiber, fabric, ginning, spinning, weaving, retting, and shearing. This all read very carefully and study it. Try to understand this. Roundup also is next page is given there. 32 roundup words also given there. That also read well. Okay, and write these question answers in your fair copy and send to me. Okay. Okay then. Bye.